Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make lemon pickle. We'll begin by exploring the key components that create its vibrant flavor. Then, I'll guide you through preparing your lemons, ensuring they are perfectly ready for the pickling process. Finally, we'll cover the crucial step of sterilizing your equipment, which is vital for a safe and long-lasting pickle. Get ready to create a delightful condiment. To start, gather about 1 kilogram of fresh, unblemished lemons. Thin-skinned varieties work wonderfully. You'll also need approximately 100 grams of coarse salt, 20 grams of mustard seeds, 10 grams of fenugreek seeds, and 5 grams of turmeric powder. Don't forget 100 milliliters of a neutral cooking oil, like mustard or sesame oil, to bind all these fantastic flavors together. These precise measurements ensure a balanced and tasty pickle. Now let's get hands-on. Wash and thoroughly dry your lemons, then cut each into 8 to 16 uniform pieces, carefully removing all seeds. In a large, clean bowl, combine the lemon pieces with the salt, mustard seeds, fenugreek, and turmeric powder. Mix everything very well, ensuring each lemon piece is coated. Then, tightly pack this flavorful mixture into your sterilized glass jar, leaving about 1 inch of headspace at the top. This careful packing is key. The final step is patience. Place your jar in a warm, sunny spot for at least 2 to 3 weeks. During this time, gently shake the jar once daily to help the flavors meld and the lemons soften. After maturation, your delicious lemon pickle is ready to enjoy. For long-term storage, transfer it to a cool, dark pantry. Properly stored, your homemade lemon pickle can last for several months, offering a burst of flavor whenever you desire.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.